Hi guys, this is just a quick tutorial to show you how to program your own custom sequences. A lot of optometrists have a sequence that they use when they test eyes, so it's pretty easy to record that sequence in Eyechart.online so that it makes the process even faster. So what you do is you just go to your calibration and settings, and then if you go down here you'll see the last option on the menu is record sequence. Just click on it, and then we don't at the moment have any sequences saved, so if we did it will list them here, but we don't, so we can just click on create new sequence. Now this is pretty self-explanatory. Just ask you to select the target for the first step of your sequence. So we have your VA charts, astigmatism charts, binocular vision charts, all of those. So let's say for the first step in my sequence I would like a 6-9 VA line. So I would click on VA charts. It would ask me what optotype. I'd select the Sloan letters, and then it would ask me whether I want a full chart, horizontal line, vertical line, or a single letter. And I want a horizontal line, and then I have the option to choose the line size, which will be a 6-9 line. And then just click confirm, and you'll see it adds the first step of your sequence down there. Now say for the second step I want the Jackson cross cylinder target, so I'll just go to astigmatism charts, select it, Jackson Crossel, select, confirm, and it'll add the second step. And so you can carry on with all the steps. I'd like to say do contrast sensitivity in Sloan letters, it'll add that, and then I'd like to do stereopsis, confirm, and then so I've got 4 steps in my sequence. Save. It'll ask you to name your sequence. Peter's sequence. You can choose any name you want. Okay, and then now it's got your saved sequences there. Peter's sequence. If you click on review, it'll just run through the sequence so as to show you what you have. And then once it's done, it'll stop. So now if you go back here to your sequences, if you click on start, it'll start your sequence. You'll see it'll give you a little navigation menu down at the bottom. So this would be a stop, back and forward. So this would be the first step in our sequence, and then we can just step to the next one by clicking on the next button. You don't have to use your mouse. You can also just use, if you're using shortcut keys on the keyboard, to advance to the next step, where you would just press space. And advance to the next step, you would press space. If you want to advance back to the previous step, you can actually click the back button, or you can just click shift space and it'll go back to the previous step. And then once you've gone through all the steps, that navigation menu will disappear. Also, you don't need to use the mouse to start the sequences. You can simply start it with the shortcut keys. F1 will start the first saved sequence, or F2 will start the second saved sequence. And it is as simple as that.